Hi everybody, I have this zoomed in on a little indentation. We're talking about septic systems here, and basically when I'm looking for a septic system or where the possibility of one might be at a house that I know is on a septic, I'm going to do this. I'm going to come to the back of the house where I know that the plumbing from the inside of the house exits through the basement wall. And when I know that area inside the house, what I'm going to do is come 6 to 10 feet out in a straight line, and I'm going to look for an indentation, okay? And I have an indentation, which you really probably can't see, but it's right here in the grass. And I can see it's in a circular, basically concave. So this would be my indication that there's probably the septic system cover right here. And again, 6 to 10 feet from the house, I'm going to look for the indentation in the lawn, and that's probably where it is. Then usually another 20 feet or so on a straight line back, we are going to have the area where the distribution box, and you can see we have another little area here. And I want to show you, it's a raised system, it looks like, okay? And what we're seeing is, I'm going to walk back there, but there's the layers of the grass or the dirt or whatever have been raised up to accommodate a leach line. So if I come from here, and it may be very hard on this video to see this, but I can see, well, you can see kind of right here, there's like a little raise. Well, that goes, you can see it. Even in this video, I can see it. You can see it's a raised system, okay? Now that is probably where the leach field is. Again, if I go to the town, or if I get the site map, I can find all that, or from when they built the house. It should all be with the, the town records and all that. But I just wanted to show you how I look for it if I'm out in the field and I'm just curious to see where these things might be. And I'm going to want to walk this area, because if it's soggy or if it's not draining properly in that, then I know there could be a problem with the leach field and that sort of thing, and we'd want to have a professional take a look at it. So again, I just walked down a little bit of a hill because you could see the raised system. Okay? Just a little quick tip on the septic systems. Thanks, guys.